and N1, that is I1 and N1 produces a flux pi m called mutual flux. Say it's got 1000 magnetic lines. उत्पन्न होता है, वो फ्लक्स इज अल्टरनेटिंग एंड दिस फ्लक्स इज सर्कुलेटिंग थ्रू आउट द कोर, राइट?
Yes.
This flux is circulating throughout the core. While circulating, because this flux is alternating, मालूम हो रहा है क्या? Because this flux is alternating and this flux is linking with primary winding as well as secondary winding. प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग में लिंक होने से इसमें उत्पन्न होता है ना ईएमएफ, उसका नाम क्या? सेल्फ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ and whose direction will be opposite to the applied voltage. That is E1 is the voltage induced in this, it will be opposite to the applied voltage V, right? क्या है ये इधर? If this is V, this is the E1. If this quantity is 250 volts, it is almost 240 तक रहता है. So what is the difference between these two? That is 10 volts. This 10 volts is the reason to push a current of I1 in the primary. ये भी नहीं और ये भी नहीं. दोनों का difference is the reason to push a current of I1 in the primary winding. Right? Of course, there is an EMF in the secondary also according to mutual induction. मालूम है आपको? After connecting a load on the secondary, a load current of I2 passes through the load as well as through the secondary winding also, right? Right? I2 current will also flow through the secondary winding. When the secondary winding gets current, this will also produce the fluxes. आपको मालूम है एक कंडक्टर में करंट फ्लो होने से वो भी फ्लक्स उत्पन्न करता है, और उसका अनुसार secondary winding will also produce the fluxes after getting current in this winding. ठीक है? कब आता है करंट? लोड होने के बाद. When there is a load here, I2 current will flow and flow in the secondary winding also. When there is a current in this, that is secondary, that is I2 and N2 produces a flux. I2 N2 produces a flux. इसका डायरेक्शन कैसा रहता है? Opposite to the mutual flux which is already existing in the iron core. म्यूचुअल फ्लक्स का डायरेक्शन ऐसा है, that is 1000 लाइन्स. इसमें उत्पन्न होने वाले फ्लक्स करंट आने के बाद है ना I2 N2 से, उसका डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट रहता है. Let us assume 500 लाइन्स are induced in the secondary winding, right? इसका डायरेक्शन ऐसा, इसका डायरेक्शन ऐसा. 500 लाइन्स नलिफाई होता है, कैंसल होता है. What is the flux available in the iron core now? Just 500 lines. Just 500 lines. Only 500 lines, that is the magnetic lines, are linking with these two windings. पहले 1000 lines were linking. When 1000 lines were linking, EMF induced here and here was more, ज़्यादा था. फ्लक्स कम होने से फ्लक्स कटिंग कम होता है. फ्लक्स कटिंग कम होने से उत्पन्न होने वाला ईएमएफ भी कम होता है. इधर पहले इधर इसका बारे में सोचो. Let us assume EMF induced in this winding, that is self-induced EMF. When there is कम flux, it is around 100 volts. अब क्या होता है?
अप्लाई वोल्टेज और
अप्लाई वोल्टेज क्या है? 250 है. पहले 250 ताई है, अब क्या हो गया? 250 100. So ये इस डायरेक्शन में और ये इस डायरेक्शन में. What is the difference of these two? 150. डिफरेंस इन वोल्टेज ज्यादा हो गया. पहले था 10 वोल्ट, अब 150 वोल्ट्स. So according to Ohm's law क्या होता है? As the voltage increases, current also increases. Let us assume the increased current in the primary winding is I1 dash, that is 15 amperes. इसके साथ ये भी इसी तरह I1 plus I1 dash is the current flowing in the primary winding. Now load आने के बाद, right? And now I1 dash, that is 15 amperes with same N1 number of turns produces flux again. flux ज्यादा होता है primary winding में. इसका क्वांटिटी कितना इस डायरेक्शन में है और इसका ऑपोजिट में I1 डैश N1 उत्पन्न करते हैं ना, उसका फ्लक्स इस डायरेक्शन में रहता है। इसका क्वांटिटी कितना है 500, इसका क्वांटिटी कितना है सेम 500 in the opposite direction, and they will get cancelled with each other, keeping this pi m, that is 1000 days, as constant always in the iron core. Right? Voltage will not vary. So as the load increases again, I2 N2 increases, I1 dash N1 dash increases, they will get cancelled with each other, keeping pi m as constant always. Suppose if the load increases further, अब भी ज्यादा होने से I2 N2 ज्यादा होता है, I1 dash N1 ज्यादा होता है, and they will get cancelled with each other, keeping this pi m as constant always. Like this, the load is transferred from secondary to primary. मालूम हो गया क्या? ठीक से? Any doubt anybody?